Hello there, welcome back to the channel. Want to unlock awesome skins, emotes and more in Fortnite? Let's get you the Battle Pass on your Nintendo Switch quick and easy. For this, first, launch Fortnite on your Nintendo Switch. Once you are in, make sure you have got at least 950 V-Bucks in your account. That's the magic number for the Battle Pass. Need a top up? No problem. Grab a V-Bucks gift card from Start Select. It's super fast, super easy. Once you have loaded up your V-Bucks, head to the Battle Pass tab at the top on the screen. Select the Battle Pass, hit that purchase button, confirm your buy. And boom, you are in. The Battle Pass is yours. And your V-Bucks are instantly deducted. Time to level up, unlock the sweet rewards and flex on the island. Battle Pass, easy, V-Bucks, done. Start selects got you covered. Now get out there and play. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give a like.